Hi, this is Phoebe. Today I'm making an amazing fried rice in my kitchen. You need leftover white rice from the night before, minced sausage, sliced Tuscan kale, sliced onion, diced red bell pepper and egg. Turn on the stove. Add in sliced onion and diced pepper. Drizzle some olive oil and start sauteing them. Once they become translucent, add in minced sausage. Try to separate the mince a little bit more by pressing it down using the spatula. Turn down the heat slightly. Continue to saute them a little bit more. Now add in the kale. Keep sauteing. Add salt. Once it is cooked, remove it and put it aside. Now add the cold rice. Keep sauteing, keep separating the rice grain. Add salt. Make a well and add an egg. Keep stirring the rice until all rice covered by the egg. Once the rice is no longer sticking to the wok, add the sauteed vegetable I set aside earlier. Keep mixing them until it is mixed evenly. Then it is done. Turn off the stove and serve. It smells so good. Too bad we don't have digital smelling function. Hopefully this function will be available one day. My God, it's really good. I wish you are here now to taste it.